trendybeats.com.
Alright, good day students. Welcome to the Microsoft Academy. So today we are looking at Maths 122, where we have the question saying find the area of the triangle with vertex A, B, and C. And we want to get the value. We have options A, B, C, and D. So let's see which of them is the correct option. So how can we get the area of a triangle? We use this formula. Area of a triangle is equal to the absolute value of 1 over 2 of the determinant x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. So with this, we can calculate the area of the what? Of the triangle. So now we first of all locate x1, the different points. So these are x1, y1, these are x2, y2, these are x3, y3. So you can substitute here. The statement here, absolute, is very important. But let's solve this first, then we'll come back to this. So if we substitute, we are going to be having half, then x1, which is 2, then y1, which is what? 1. Then the formula say put a 1 there. Then we go to x2, that is point B, which is minus 3, and y2 is what? Is 0. Then we have 1 as in the formula. Then x3 is this, which is minus 2. Then y3 is what? Is 4. Then we put a 1 as well. So now this is a determinant matrix where we introduce a sign plus, minus, and plus. So you must introduce these three signs before you start solving. So if we break it down, let's come to this place to break it down. So here we have half. Now I'll break it into a 2 by 2 matrix. So for a 2 by 2 matrix, this is what we are going to have. We start with this 2 here, then break out everything below 2 and everything by the side of 2. So this is how it looks like. So this will cancel out. So all is left is 0, 1, and then 4, 1. So we have that 2. So this 2 that is here is positive 2. Then when we break out, we have 0, 1, 4, 1. Then we close it. Then we go to the next one. The next one is 1. 1 has a minus, so we have minus 1. So we'll put a minus 1. Now, if we break everything below 1 and everything by the side of what? Of 1, we have what? This. So this will give us minus 3, minus 2, 1, 1. Then we go to the next one, which is plus 1. So we have plus 1. Then everything below we cancel out. Anything by the side we also will cancel out. So if you cancel out this, you'll be having minus 3, minus 2, 0, and what? And 4. So we have minus 3, minus 2, 0, and what? And 4. Now we have this. So we go back to the 2 by 2 matrix. We are also going to break for the 2 by 2 matrix. To do that is very simple. Use this first value here to multiply here, and use the other value here to multiply here. Then you subtract. So if we have 2 here, so this is what we'll do. 0 will multiply with 1, 0. Then we'll put a minus. Then 1 will multiply with 4. We have a what? A 4. So we have this. Then we'll do the same thing. We have minus 1. Then we'll open a bracket. Minus 3 we multiply with 1. We have minus 3. Then we put a minus. Then 1 we multiply with 2. We have minus 2. So we have minus 2. So this is a minus, minus. Then we have a plus 1 here. So minus 3 we multiply with 4. We have minus 12. Then we put a minus. Then multiply these 2. We have what? 0. And this is what we have. So if you open the bracket, this is 0 minus 4 is minus 4. Minus 4 will multiply with 2. You have what? Minus what? 8. Then here we change to plus because minus times minus is what? Is plus. So minus 3 plus 2 will give us minus 1. Minus 1 multiply with minus 1. We have plus 1. Now we come to this. This is minus 12 minus 0 is minus 12. times 1 will give us minus 12. So we have this. Now, if we should solve this, this is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 1 is minus 7. So we're having minus 7 minus 12. And minus 7 minus 12 will give us minus 19. So we have 1 over 2 minus 19. So if you just check it, this here will give us minus 19 over what? Over 2. So, but the question says the absolute value. The absolute value. So we are getting the absolute value means we are going to convert the minus to plus. So this will give us minus 19 over 2 as the answer. So the option, this should be minus 19 and 19, I guess so. So that means the correct answer is what? Is D, not minus 19. So take note of that. So this is how you solve the area of a triangle using the matrix what method. So in the next class, we are going to see other questions on this math 1 to 2. So if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe and click on the notification button to see more videos on this. Thank you.